friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be making an apple smoothie. Here are the ingredients for the healthy smoothie. So we need an apple, we need Greek yogurt, and I'm going to use honey for sweetener because this apple I'm using is sour, but if you have a super sweet apple, you can just leave the sweetener out, totally up to you. And I'm going to add a little bit of cinnamon, and again, cinnamon is optional. If you like it, add it, don't like it, just leave it out. So super simple to make this smoothie. All we need is a blender. So I'm going to cut the apple into slices. I'm going to keep the peel. So I washed the apple before making the video. If you don't want apple peel in your smoothie, feel free to peel the apple beforehand. So I'm going to cut apple into slices. And add these apple slices to my blender. And I will add the yogurt, so I'm using 2/3 of a cup of Greek yogurt. And now I'm going to squeeze some honey in there. So if you like to measure, you can add as little as a teaspoon or as much as a tablespoon. So I'm just going to eyeball it. So here's some honey for sweetness. And I'm going to add 1/8 of a teaspoon of cinnamon. So just a little cinnamon. And now let's just blend it until it's smooth. You might have to shake it a few times. So just keep blending until it turns into a smoothie. Going to check it and see if it's fully blended, so it looks like it's liquid. And let's make sure there's no chunks inside. So perfectly blended, so I don't even see the apple peel in there. It all just became totally liquid. So let's pour our apple smoothie in a glass. Perfect. And now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. I love apple smoothies. It's so delicious. It's actually full of apple flavor and the honey complements it so well. And it's awesome. I can taste a little bit of cinnamon. This is a great combination. So healthy, so easy to make, and so delicious. You can have it for breakfast. It's very filling because of all the protein from Greek yogurt, or you can have it for any time snack. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!